Okay, HadesOmega here. So this is probably going to be my last vlog entry for my 2005 Toyota Prius repair vlog, and I have to say it's a success. I just took it on my last vlog was a 60-mile shakedown. This is a 300-mile shakedown. So I just took it on a nice long road trip to just a little long road trip to Sacramento to buy some goodies for my other Prius. I'll show you that real quick. Ta-da! These are Celica GTS wheels. I was in a I had to make a decision. Do I want a 16-inch wheel or do I want a 17-inch wheel? Because I was tossed up between these and the Scion TC wheels, the 8-spoker ones, and I like both of them, but I don't think I want a 17 on my Prius. Yeah, just to keep the ride quality good. They're a little beat up, but and I got a Curt hitch right there, brand new, never installed. Got it for like was it 80 bucks or something, or 90 bucks. Not bad. I think you can get a 120 brand new, but it came with like a little draw thing. So there it is. Yeah, I went to go pick these up, and I drove it to Sacramento. It's about 200 miles. So thus far, let's check out how many miles I got here. So I've noticed the auxiliary battery is going bad on this car. You don't want to keep it in accessory, so the car may not start. But yeah, there it is. 301 miles. I noticed that, like I said, the engine's a little tired, and it doesn't want to stay in stealth very much. It doesn't like it. So you can't stealth it very long. Yeah, like at high speeds, like over 30 or 40 miles an hour, it doesn't want to stay in stealth or like in the electric mode. But the battery works good. It stays charged on the freeway, and I actually took it on Patterson Pass. I'll post some pictures on that in my video, and so that was a good little test. I drove it up the hill for quite a while. It drained it. This car is slow as balls when the battery is drained. But yeah, the battery was drained all the way, and I had to go. It's basically just running on the internal combustion engine going up, and then it charged it going down. So the battery looks good. Battery's in good health. I'm assuming, it probably doesn't have as much capacity as it does, but it's a good thing to just drive it and exercise it. But yeah, and this car handles great. My sister did a lot of maintenance on it because the dealer, recommended it and stuff, and she did it. So, but yeah, it has a lot. It's a solid runner, and it handles really. This car handles good, but it just doesn't have enough power to match the handling, unless you want to smash on the throttle all the time. So yeah, I have to say the Prius is not a bad handling car. And I heard the 4th generation Prius. Well, I've driven a 3rd generation, and I've heard stuff about the 4th generation. The 3rd generation is it feels more planted, the handling, and the hybrid synergy drive is better. And the 4th generation, I heard, is even better. So it's coming out soon. I've seen the real thing at the auto show. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this project. Toyota Prius repair blog complete, and sad to say, maybe after like a month or so, after we smog this guy, gonna have to sell it because we got too many cars. I got this Prius, we got that Prius and that blue Prius back there, and let's see what else we got back there. And there's my Eclipse that needs a new clutch in the back of it. So, yep, got a little Prius farm here. But, we're gonna have to get rid of this one. But yeah, it's a solid runner. If it was in a salvage, I might keep it, you know. But and the sad thing is, probably not going to get a whole lot for it because it has a lot of miles and it's salvage. But it's a solid runner, and it's got all the bells and whistles in it. So that's it. Mission complete. HadesOmega out.